speaking in public is one of the most powerful skills a person can develop in life. It is not only about talking in front of people, but also about expressing ideas clearly, sharing thoughts, and communicating with confidence. Many people feel afraid when they have to speak in front of others, and this fear is very common. Even experienced speakers sometimes feel nervous. The important thing to understand is that confidence is not something you are born with. It is something you build slowly through practice, experience, and patience. Every confident speaker once started as a beginner who was afraid. Fear is the first challenge in public speaking, but it is not your enemy. Fear is just a natural reaction from your body when you are doing something new or important. Your heart may beat faster, your hands may shake, or your mind may feel empty. This does not mean you are not good enough. It only means your body is reacting to pressure. The best way to deal with fear is not to avoid it, but to accept it. When you accept fear, it becomes weaker. When you fight fear, it becomes stronger. So the first step is to stay calm and understand your emotions. Building confidence starts with small actions. You do not need to speak in front of a large audience at the beginning. You can start in a very simple way. Speak alone in your room. Read texts out loud. Talk to yourself in English. These small habits may feel strange at first, but they are very powerful. They help your brain get used to hearing your own voice. Then you can move to the next step, like speaking in front of a mirror. After that, you can speak in front of a friend or family member. Each step builds your confidence slowly and naturally. Preparation is one of the strongest secrets of successful speakers. When you are prepared, you feel more in control. Before speaking, take time to understand your topic. Think about what you want to say and what message you want to give. Write your ideas in simple points. Do not try to memorize everything word by word, because this can increase stress. Instead, understand the main ideas. A clear structure is very helpful. Start with an introduction, then explain your main points, and finish with a conclusion. This simple structure makes your speech organized and easier to follow. Practice is the bridge between fear and confidence. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become. Practice helps your brain and mouth work together smoothly. When you practice, you start noticing improvement in your speech. You may still make mistakes, but that is completely fine. Mistakes are part of learning. Try practicing in different ways. Speak slowly, then try speaking at a natural speed. Practice standing up, sitting down, or even walking while speaking. The goal is to make speaking feel natural in different situations, so you are not afraid of change during real speeches. Body language is a silent language that speaks louder than words. When you speak in public, people do not only listen to your voice, they also watch your body. If you stand straight, you look confident. If you look down, you may appear nervous. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your body open. Do not cross your arms tightly because it can make you look closed. Eye contact is very important. Try to look at different people in the audience. You do not need to stare at one person, just move your eyes naturally. This creates a strong connection with your listeners. Your voice is one of your strongest tools in public speaking. A confident speaker uses their voice in a clear and controlled way. Do not speak too fast because people may not understand you. Do not speak too slowly because people may lose interest. Find a natural balance. Use pauses between sentences. Pauses are not mistakes. They are powerful tools. They help your audience understand your message and give you time to think. Also, change your tone when needed. A flat voice sounds boring, but a voice with small changes sounds interesting and keeps people focused. One of the biggest secrets of confident speakers is positive thinking. Your thoughts control your emotions. If you think, "I will fail," your body becomes more nervous. If you think, "I can do this," your body becomes calmer. Before speaking, always tell yourself positive sentences. Say things like, "I am prepared," "I am improving," or "I will do my best." Do not aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Confidence grows when you believe in your ability. Even if you feel nervous, positive thinking can help you stay calm and focused. Connecting with your audience makes your speech more powerful and enjoyable. Do not think of the audience as people who are judging you. Instead, think of them as people who want to listen and learn. Speak in a friendly and natural way, like you are talking to someone you know. You can also include simple questions in your speech to make people think. Smiling also helps a lot because it makes you look more relaxed and friendly. When the audience feels connected to you, they listen more carefully and support your message. Mistakes are a normal part of public speaking. No one speaks perfectly all the time. Even professional speakers forget words or make small errors. What makes them confident is that they continue speaking without stopping. If you make a mistake, do not panic. Just continue your speech. Most people will not even notice small mistakes. The audience is more focused on your message than your grammar. Every mistake you make is a learning opportunity. It shows you what you can improve next time. Over time, mistakes become fewer and your confidence becomes stronger. Recording yourself is one of the most effective ways to improve speaking skills. When you record your voice or video, you can see and hear yourself from a different point of view. At first, it may feel uncomfortable, but it is very useful. You can notice things like speaking too fast, too softly, or not clearly enough. You can also observe your body language. Are you standing straight? Are your movements natural? This self-observation helps you improve step by step. Many professional speakers use this method to become better and more confident over time. Another important skill is learning how to control your breathing. When people are nervous, they often breathe quickly and feel stressed. Deep breathing helps calm your body. Before you speak, take a slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Repeat this a few times. This sends a signal to your brain that you are safe. It reduces stress and helps you focus. Breathing control also helps your voice sound stronger and more stable. When you breathe calmly, your speech becomes smoother and more confident. Time management is also important in public speaking. You should know how long your speech will take. If your speech is too short, you may not explain your ideas well. If it is too long, people may lose interest. Practice your speech with a timer. This helps you understand your speed and adjust your content. Good speakers respect the audience's time. They deliver clear and complete messages without rushing or dragging. Managing time well shows professionalism and increases your confidence because you feel more organized and prepared. Visualization is a powerful mental technique. Before speaking, close your eyes and imagine yourself giving a successful speech. Imagine yourself speaking clearly, smiling, and the audience listening carefully. Imagine feeling calm and confident. This mental practice helps your brain prepare for the real situation. Your mind becomes more familiar with success, so you feel less fear. Many athletes and speakers use visualization before important events. When you imagine success, your brain starts believing it is possible, and this belief increases your real confidence. Another helpful habit is learning from other speakers. Watch how confident speakers talk, move, and use their voice. You can learn many things from them. Pay attention to their body language, their pauses, and how they connect with the audience. Do not try to copy them exactly, but learn their techniques. Then, practice in your own style. Everyone has a unique speaking personality. The goal is not to become someone else, but to improve your own way of speaking and make it stronger and clearer over time. Using simple language is one of the smartest choices in public speaking. Many people think using difficult words makes them sound better, but this is not true. Simple language is more powerful because everyone understands it easily. When your words are clear, your message becomes strong. You also feel less stress because you are not searching for complex vocabulary. Focus on communication, not complexity. Speak in a natural and simple way. This makes your speech more effective and helps you feel more relaxed and confident while speaking. Another important idea is to accept imperfection. You do not need to be perfect to be a good speaker. In fact, trying to be perfect can increase stress. It is okay to pause, make small mistakes, or forget a word. What matters is continuing your speech. Confidence is not about never making mistakes. It is about continuing even when mistakes happen. When you accept imperfection, you feel freer and more relaxed. This freedom helps you speak more naturally and confidently in front of any audience. Consistency is the real key to becoming a confident speaker. You cannot improve in one day or one week. It takes time and regular practice. Even small daily practice sessions are very powerful. Speak a little every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. Over time, your skills will grow without you noticing. One day, you will realize that speaking in public is no longer scary. It will feel normal and even enjoyable. Confidence is built slowly, but once it is built, it becomes a strong part of your personality. Finally, remember that every great speaker started as a beginner. They all had fear, doubts, and mistakes. The difference is that they continued practicing and never gave up. You are also on that journey. Every time you speak, you are improving. Every mistake is a lesson. Every practice session makes you stronger. Do not wait for the perfect moment to start. Start now with what you have. With time, patience, and practice, you will become a confident speaker who can express ideas clearly and speak in front of any audience with ease and confidence.